In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, hit delete next to edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!